Okay, hello everybody, it's Ian Wright here from Veeam. Just creating this video for the hands-on lab for API integration, specifically around the AWS piece and permissions, just to, sometimes be easier just to run through a video, just to see the permissions and understand what we're actually providing to enable the hands-on lab to work. Um, just a note, FYI, warning, whatever you want to call it. We are using very heavy administrator permissions for this lab, so you almost certainly won't want to use this level of permissions in your or these level of permissions, sorry, in your live environment. So proceed with caution, but we are deploying into a purely test dev environment, so therefore giving that sort of access is okay. So if we just, I've got my AWS environment here, so it's just nothing set up at all at the moment, so it's completely blank, just set up from scratch. So just go in and click I am. So I'm just following the user guide here for the hands-on lab. Got a few users set up. I've just got a dummy user here called delegate1, so you can just assume this is yourself. So we're just going to the permissions tab here once the wheels start spinning. Okay, so you can see we've got underneath permissions in our user, we've got full administrator access. So again, proceed with caution. You probably don't want to set this up in your live environment for a user. So I'll just expand on that, show you what it looks like. So you can see there, it's just allow all essentially. So very heavy permissions, high level permissions. I've also got an inline policy attached. So this is all documented in the guide and what the specific roles are allowed here. I'll just scroll down slowly so you can see it. Again, you can see here, allow all, I am allow all. So it's very heavy on the permissions. We also need a role to deploy using Terraform into AWS. So I'll just show you what that looks like. So just click role. I've got this VB AWS underscore TF. So this is what we set in our Visual Studio Code scripts before we run our Terraform deployment in the Veeam hands-on lab. So in permissions, we've got administrator access. So allow all essentially. EC2 because we're creating some EC2 instances. Allow all again. And S3 because we're creating a bucket as well with the CloudFormation method. So we've got S3 allow all. Got Lambda in as well. We're not actually using Lambda, but it's allowed us anyway. So essentially full admin access across the board. So that's it. Just following the guide there, just to put it into video format. If you have any issues, give me a shout. Ian.wright@veeam.com, and very much looking forward to seeing you on the hands-on lab. Thanks very much.